Today, how to get free HD TV and cut the cord. And with this free TV, I have an antenna DIY deal you don't want to miss. Il y a beaucoup de choses pour votre télévision aujourd'hui. Hi, I'm the Deal Guy, Matt Granite. Don't worry, it's a Canadian channel. I just thought I'd have a little bit of fun for a moment. But this is for anyone, anywhere in the beautiful country of the United States or Canada looking to cut the cord. Free HD TV. The average cost of a cable or satellite bill is north of the $150 mark these days. You're paying for all of these channels you don't want to get the several channels you need. If you've watched me before, yes, I have great tech deals all the time. I've also done DIY cutting cord guides for YouTube TV, DirecTV Now, Sling TV, Fire TV, Apple TV. I've shown you which streaming systems are the best, but when it comes to a hardcore HD TV antenna, there is one amplified antenna that I absolutely love that's getting me more channels and absolutely beautiful. Look how good this picture quality is. I'm going to show you how this works, how to set it up, and how to get free HD TV. Antop is actually the #1 antenna manufacturer in the US right now, and I will tell you that this gives you a 60 to 70 mile radius, so right out of the box, this is ready to go. It is a smart pass amplifier, and one of the amazing things about this, there's a 4G LTE filter built into this, so unlike some of those really small antennas that you just tack onto a wall, this is sizable, but as you can see, compared to the actual television, it's not massive. It blends in really well behind it, especially if you have a white wall. It does have some size to it, but you could easily hide this behind television, under a TV cabinet. Once it's in place, there's no power source or anything that you need, and you do get a lot of coax cable slack, so you could actually potentially run this, leave this outside if you got a balcony. But for me, simply in a basement, which is where we are right now, I'm going to show you how many channels I'm able to pick up. Just screw this right into the back of the cable in, or where your antenna goes on the back of a television. Any television will have this port. The other end goes into the under part of the antenna. So one in there, one in here, you're good to go. There's nothing else you need to do. This again is an outdoor, indoor HD TV antenna. It's smart pass and amplified. It also has a 4G LTE filter, which means it cuts down on the distortion to give you that beautiful crystal clear picture, which I'm going to show you in a moment. And while this antenna has a 60 to 70 mile range, if you do want to use the included amplifier, this just gives you a little bit more of a boost. I don't need this even in a basement in Toronto right now. I'm really happy with the channels that I have access to. I'm going to show you now how to get the free channels added to your TV from the antenna. Now, we've already searched through the channels, but I want to show you right now that on this smart TV, I already have Netflix, Amazon Prime, access to YouTube TV, or Google, I should say. But if you aren't a Sling TV subscriber, you're not enjoying that live TV or DirecTV Now, you just really want to see what an antenna can give you, this is what you need to do to set it up. On any regular television, you'll just go into your menu settings and do a search. You can auto-tune your channels or manual scan. Auto-tune is the easiest. The TV runs through all available channels and then programs them into your television guide. So all you have to do is change channels just as you would traditionally with satellite or cable, and you'll know in a matter of seconds what you have access to. So this is a very powerful antenna. You can see that it's already starting to pick out channels. In most of our tests, we're able to get 12 to 15 channels. In some cases, you'll only get 4 channels. In some cases, you'll get 20 or 30. It depends on where you are and how far away you are from the broadcast source. Okay, it's moving faster than I thought. We're at 9 channels and 100%. So 9 channels from a basement. It's going to scan through all of the other sources now. This is the part that I'm going to skip because this will take a while. I should also mention that I am using live television. Sometimes when people show you these antennas, they do all these fake roundabouts where the antenna is not actually the source. Just want to show you right now, this is live TV tied to the antenna. All right, so as you can see, I'm going to lower the smart menu right here for a second. This is absolutely beautiful, crystal clear 4K on my television right now. This is high definition. So let's keep going here. Just again, scrolling through the channels as you would traditionally watching cable, just using the remote. The TV is already familiar with what it's picked up. Beautiful. You just flick through channels as you would watching something else, and you can see the picture quality is tremendous. I am a huge fan of this antenna, and more importantly, the content that I'm now able to get for free. This is a great way to enjoy free television on a dime, and as we flick through, everything you need is there. The channels are all programmed into the television, and maybe you'll be able to get many more. Ooh, that does not look good. Maybe you'll be able to get more channels than I've had access to. I didn't mean to laugh. Okay, I've just learned no one was injured in that truck incident. So there you are. Everything's safe. Wonderful. If you want to take back control of your TV with beautiful, crystal clear, I mean, this is amazing, the footage that's coming out of this. Absolutely awesome. If you want to make that a reality in your home, this is an engineered and designed in the USA antenna deal that is amplified with all of the filtration in place to make sure it cuts down on the distortion. And if you are up to 70 miles away from the source, you are going to score access to more channels than any antenna. This performed better than the Mohu Leaf. It performed better than other amplified antennas. And I can tell you the price that I found today, it's at its lowest recorded price. Just expand the video description box. That will score you the link, and that will give you access to more free TV. Awesome. Now, for those of you that would like to see other tutorials tied to YouTube TV and what I think is the best for all of the streaming products, there's a very easy way to see those and to get subscribed. Just click on my head right here. That will subscribe you to this channel. If you want to watch my unveiling of YouTube TV, I was one of the first people on the market to review it, click here. And if you want to see a comparison between Sling TV, DirecTV Now, and other platforms to get you your live TV streaming on demand, click over here.